Have you ever wondered how to make game app and earn money? This video is dedicated to guiding you through the process of making game app and earn money. Hello viewers, welcome to iTechnolabs. Today, we're going to show you how to make game app and earn money. Step 1. Conceptualization. Think about what kind of game you want to create. Will it be a puzzle game or action-adventure? Brainstorming is key. Step 2. Design and development. Once you have your idea, it's time to bring it to life. Design your game's characters, environments, and gameplay mechanics. Then, dive into development using platforms like Unity or Unreal Engine. Step 3. Testing and refinement. Test your game rigorously to ensure smooth gameplay and fix any bugs or glitches. It's crucial to refine your game based on user feedback to make it truly engaging. Step 4. Monetization strategy. Now, let's talk about making money. There are various ways to monetize your game, such as in-app purchases, ads, or offering a premium version. Step 5. Launch and marketing. Finally, it's time to launch your game. Create a buzz by promoting it on social media, reaching out to gaming influencers, and optimizing your App Store presence with eye-catching screenshots and descriptions. And there you have it. Ready to start your journey? Contact iTechnolabs, a leading app development company today. Thanks for watching.